Are you keen on joining the exciting world of cryptocurrency by buying Bitcoin? Great choice, but before you dive in, it's crucial to learn how to purchase Bitcoin safely. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process, ensuring clarity and coherence throughout. Step 1. Educate yourself first. And foremost, it's essential to understand what Bitcoin is and how it works. Research and gather information to develop a solid understanding of this digital currency. Learn about blockchain technology, Bitcoin wallets, and the concept of public and private keys. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Step 2. Choose a secure exchange. Selecting a reliable cryptocurrency exchange is vital to ensure the safety of your Bitcoin purchase. Look for exchanges that have a strong reputation, transparent fees, and solid security measures. Read reviews from trustworthy sources and consider factors such as user experience, customer support, and the availability of different payment methods. Step 3. Set up your account. Once you've chosen an exchange, sign up for an account. Provide the necessary information and complete the verification process, which may involve submitting identification documents. This step is crucial for security and to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Step 4. Secure your wallet. Your Bitcoin wallet is where you'll store your purchased Bitcoin. Choose a reliable and secure wallet and set it up before making any purchases. There are various types of wallets available, including hardware wallets, software wallets, and online wallets. Each has its own pros and cons. So make sure to research and select the one that suits your needs and preferences. Step 5. Fund your account to buy Bitcoin. You'll need to fund your exchange account. Most exchanges allow you to deposit funds using bank transfers, credit debit cards, or other cryptocurrencies. Review the available options and choose the one that suits you best. Be cautious of any associated fees and consider using secure payment methods to minimize the risk of fraud. Step 6. Place your order with funds in your account. You're now ready to place your Bitcoin order. Decide on the amount you wish to purchase and enter it accordingly. Take note of the current Bitcoin price, as it can fluctuate. Once you've placed your order, double-check the details before confirming the transaction. Step 7. Safely store your Bitcoin after your purchase is complete. Transfer your Bitcoin from the exchange to your secure wallet. This step is crucial to protect your investment from potential hacking or theft. Follow the provided instructions, ensuring accuracy, as any mistakes may result in irreversible loss. Step 8. Regularly update security measures. Congratulations, you're now a Bitcoin owner. However, remember that safety is an ongoing concern. Stay up to date with security measures, as new threats may emerge. Regularly update your wallet software, enable two-factor authentication, and follow best practices to keep your Bitcoin secure. By following these steps, you can confidently buy Bitcoin safely. Remember, knowledge, research, and caution are key when venturing into cryptocurrency. Embrace the excitement, but also prioritize security in order to make the most of your Bitcoin journey.